Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will cover Pinent Technologies Private Limited, Future Ready and their 15 specialties in software development including Pin Apps, suite for of banking products, retail and commercial lending, detail lending portal, lending automation and etc. We provide MCQs with answers and coding questions with explanation for each specialty, helping you prepare for interviews, assessment and campus drives. This video does not cover all questions because there are 700 plus MCQs across 40 plus specialties. To get the complete PDF with all questions and coding examples, you can contact me. The WhatsApp number in the video. Prepare smart, save time, and boost your job readiness with detailed MCQs and coding questions. So let's start with the first specialties. That is PenF's suite of banking products. PenF suite is primarily used in which domain? Answer is banking. PenF's architecture is typically based on microservices. The main objective of PenF is to automate lending and banking processes. Which layer handles workflow orchestration in PenF's workflow engine? PenF's supports which model? On-prem plus cloud hybrid. PenFS integrates with third-party systems using REST or SOAP APIs. Which component helps in data validation and rule execution? Rule engine. OpenApps. PenApps offers dashboards using custom analytics engine. PenApps is used for loan automation. A key benefit of PenApps is faster loan decisioning. PenF supports digitized workflows through automated process flows. Which data storage is usually used in enterprise setups? Oracle or PostgreSQL? Which feature ensures compliance in PenFs? Audit trails. Loan processing speed is increased because of rule-based decisioning. PenFs UI is typically built using Angular and React. And now the coding questions of PenFs. You can see or take screenshot to prepare or take PDF from me. Okay. 5 questions are there in each specialties. Now second one is retail lending. Retail lending primarily targets which type of customers? Individual consumers. A common product in retail lending is personal loan. Retail lending risk assessment is used on credit score or income, which is a digital channel for retail lending. Mobile app and web portals. Loan tenure in retail lending is usually 6 months to 5 years. Retail lending platforms typically integrate payment gateways and KYC systems. Interest calculation in retail lending is mostly fixed or floating, which regulatory compliance is critical in retail lending. RBI and local banking regulations. Loan pre-approval is based on automated credit scoring. Retail lending software improves customer experience and processing speed. A key change, a key challenge in retail lending is non-performing asset (NPA). Which of this is a type of a retail loan? Personal auto mortgage. In retail lending KYC means know your customer. Retail lending platforms help reduce loan processing time. Retail lending detail portals are usually cloud-based. And the coding questions of retail lending. 5 questions are there. Okay. Third one is lending platform. Our lending platform primarily facilitate loan origination and processing. Lending platforms are usually designed as web-based or cloud-based solutions. Which feature is essential in a lending platform? Loan application management. Which component manages automated credit checks? B. Rule engine scoring engine. Lending platforms integrate with payment gateways, KYC APIs, credit bureaus. Multi-channel support means platform works via mobile web branches. Automation in lending platforms reduces loan processing time. Which analytics are commonly available? customer loan trends, risk score analysis. Compliance feature in lending platform ensures adherence to banking regulations. Lending platforms typically support retail and commercial loans. Loan origination in a platform involves receiving application, verifying, and approving. Which database is commonly used in lending platforms? Oracle, PostgreSQL, MySQL. Real-time notification in lending platforms are used for loan status updates. Lending platforms increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. API integration in lending platforms is essential for connecting with external credit bureaus and payment services. The coding questions are there. Okay, next one specialty is commercial lending. Commercial lending primarily targets small, medium, and large businesses. Common types of commercial loans include term loans, working capital loans, equipment financing. A critical factor in commercial lending approval is business creditworthiness and financial statements. Commercial lending platforms help in automating loan application approvals. Which of the following is often required for commercial loans? Business plans and collateral. Interest rates in commercial loans can be fixed or floating. Compliance in commercial lending ensures adherence or adherence to RBI bank regulations and reporting standards. Key benefit of commercial lending automation is faster decision making and reduced manual errors. Commercial lending platforms often integrate with accounting systems, KYC, and credit bureaus. Loan repayment in commercial lending is usually monthly, quarterly, or as per business cash flow. Risk assessment in commercial lending involves financial analysis, market risk, credit scoring. Collateral in commercial lending can include property, machinery, stocks. Commercial lending platforms improve operational efficiency and transparency. Loan approval workflows typically include application to verification to credit analysis to approval to disbursement. Digital commercial lending helps in reducing manual documentation and processing time. And the coding questions are there. Next specialty is lending marketplace. A lending marketplace connects borrow, borrowers and multiple lenders. Lending marketplace primarily aim to increase competition and offer better rates. Which of the following is key in a lending marketplace? Multiple lender integration. Risk management in a lending marketplace is handled by credit scoring and risk engines. Lending marketplace improves transparency and choice for borrowers. Which technology is commonly used in marketplace? APIs, cloud dashboards, automation. Loan matching in Loan matching in marketplace is based on credit profile, loan amount, and tenure. Marketplace lending helps lenders access more customer efficiently. Borrowers benefit from multiple offer and competitive interest rates. Digital marketplace Digital marketplaces ensure faster loan processing. Compliance in marketplace places includes RBI local banking regulations. Marketplace dashboards display offers, approval status, and metrics. Automation in marketplace lending reduces manual errors and processing time. Lending marketplace uses cloud-based platforms. Marketplace integration allows lenders API connectivity and real-time updates. And the coding questions are the five. Next specialty sixth, digital lending portal. A digital lending portal primarily serves to allows online loan application and processing. Digital lending portals improve loan processing speed and customer experience. Portal loan applications are usually submitted via web, web, web browser or mobile app. Automated credit scoring in portals helps reduce manual checks, which feature is essential in a digital lending portal. KYC loan application tracking EMI calculators. Security in digital portals include encryption, two-factor authentication. Notifications in a portal are used for loan status updates. The backend of a portal typically uses databases like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Automation in portals reduces processing time and errors. Detail portal provide dashboards for borrowers and bank admins to track loans. Compliance in portals ensures RBI banking regulations adherence. EMI calculator helps borrowers to plan repayment amounts. Detail lending portals support which type of loans. Personal, retail, commercial. Cloud-based portals allows remote access and scalability. Data analytics in portals helps identify trends, risk, and customer behavior. Coding questions are there, five. And the next specialty is lending automation, seventh one. Lending, lending automation primarily focuses on reducing manual interventional in loan processing. Automation improves loan approval speed and accuracy. Automated lending workflows include application intake, KYC verification, credit scoring, approval, disbursement. Rule engines in lending automation are used to evaluate eligibility and risk based on predefined rules. Automation reduces manual errors and processing time. Loan decisioning in automation can be fully automated, semi-automated, or manual override. Lending automation platforms often integrate with credit bureaus, banking APIs, KYC systems. Compliance in automation ensures adherence to banking regulations and audit trails. Automation platforms support retail, commercial, and NBFC loans. Dashboards and automation platforms display loan status metrics alerts. Automated notifications are sent for loan approval, rejections, pending documents. Lending automation platforms are usually cloud-based or hybrid.
AI ML in automation helps predict defaults and recommend loan offers. Next one is question is automation reduces dependency on manual approval and paperwork. Lending automation benefits include faster processing, better compliance, improved customer experience. And here the coding questions are there. Five coding questions are there. Next specialty is end-to-end lending. End-to-end lending covers all steps from loan application to disbursement and repayment. Key benefit of end-to-end lending is seamless workflow and reduced processing time. Next question is which stages are included in end-to-end lending? Application KYC, credit check, approval, disbursement, repayment. Integration in end-to-end lending ensures smooth connectivity with banks, payment gateways, and credit bureaus. Automation in end-to-end lending helps reduce errors and processing time. Risk management in end-to-end lending is handled by scoring engines and rule-based workflows. Dashboards provide status of loans, KPIs, and alerts. Notification in end-to-end lending are sent for loan status updates and pending actions. Compliance ensures adherence to banking regulations and audit trails. The detailed portals in end-to-end lending help customers apply, track, repay loans online. Analytics in end-to-end lending help monitor performance, detect risk, optimize decisions. Repayment tracking is important to reduce the defaults and manage cash flows. End-to-end lending platforms are mostly cloud-based and scalable. Workflows automation reduces manual interventions and errors. End-to-end lending benefits faster processing, better compliance, improved customer experience. And here are the coding questions are there. Five coding questions are there you can prepare. Okay. Next specialty is loan origination coding. Loan origination primarily involves receiving and processing a new loan application. Key steps in loan origination include application submission, KYC, credit assessment, approval. KYC in loan origination ensures customer identity verification. Credit scoring in origination helps assess the borrower's ability to repay. Automation in origination reduces manual errors and processing time. Loan origination platforms integrate with credit bureaus, banks, and KYC providers. Dashboards in origination platforms show loan application status and analytics. Notifications in origination platform inform borrowers about approvals, pending documents, and rejections. Next question: compliance in origination ensures adherence to banking regulations and audit trails. Benefits of loan origination platforms include faster approvals, better customer experience, reduced errors. Digital applications in origination allow borrowers to apply online via web or mobile. Workflow automation in origination streamlines application review, credit assessment, and approval. Loan origination reduces manual intervention and errors. Origination analytics helps in monitoring trends, defaults, and decision efficiency. Loan origination software is typically cloud based and scalable. And the next is coding questions. Here we end the video because it has many questions to cover. That will be a lengthy video. So take PDF from me. Here is the WhatsApp number given in the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.